Hi guys! Today with how to delete Claude AI account. First, unlock your phone. Now open any browser like Chrome or Safari. Tap on the search bar and search for Claude AI. From the results, open the official Claude AI website. Now click on the first official Claude AI website. If you are already logged in, it will directly open your main screen. Wait for the dashboard to load properly so everything appears clearly. This is where your account settings are available. Now, on the left side, you will see a square icon or menu option. Tap on it to open the account menu. After that, look at the bottom left where your name profile section appears. Click on your name to open account options. This step takes you closer to your account settings. Now, from the options, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, go to the Account section. Here you will see an option called Delete Account. Click on it and follow the instructions shown on the screen. After confirming, your Claude AI account will be permanently deleted. So guys, that's how you can easily delete your Claude AI account. Make sure you only do this if you are completely sure, because it is permanent. If this helped you, subscribe and comment for more useful tutorials.